Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Beauty Style Mama, and today I am going to share my Tribe Beauty box for December. And I know it's already January, and it's very long story behind that because I already filmed about this box, but something happened to my video and I cannot upload that video. So I want to film the whole video again, but there is lots of things going on. My boxy charm is missing in the mail and so much chaos in December. So I was very much in sadness and depression, so I cannot film that video. So this is my Tribe Beauty box for December. Excuse me for that damage of box, it is not my fault. And I love this Tribe Beauty box so much. This will include 5 or more than 5 beauty products in your box after every 2 months. And the total value of this box is $150, and I'll pay for this box is $46.53. And now I can share my goodies in the box. Okay, if you are following me on my Instagram, I completely try on video, and I post my pictures on all the products. I tried all beauty products in the box, and some I like and some I don't like. So first of all, I want to share this Beauty Balm blush, and it says it's long wearing, and the color is like this. It's very beautiful shade. I'm wearing this shade right now on my cheeks, and I love this color. And it is written wear it well. I like this. Actually, I like the packaging so much about Beauty Balm. And Tribe Beauty sent several things on Beauty Balm. In last box they sent an eyeshadow palette from the Beauty Balm, which was my favorite, and this is also my favorite now. And after that, I want to share this I forgot to tell you about the price of this, because in this card which comes in your Tribe Beauty, it is all written. The price is the balm blush price is $22, and this Transform Mix, they're saying if you mix this with your foundation, it will give you dewy finish and something like that. This thing, I really don't like it in the box, because some people receive the blurring primer and some receive this Transform Mix. If I was so happy when they send primer. Primer is US $11, and this is $7, which I really don't like it. I use it for the pictures. It looks so good on your face, but when you mix with your foundation, I don't like it. I really don't like it. I will try this another foundation, but I don't know. I don't think so. I will try it after the whole mess up of my makeup. So let's see. And another thing which I like it's eyeliner, And this eyeliner is from Sistar. Yeah, it's from Sistar Contour Bold Liquid Eyeliner. It's $7.99 and it's really affordable eyeliner pen. And you can see can you see the tip? And I use it today on my eyes. It's very good eyeliner. It gives you very good eyeliner finish, especially on the outside of your eyes, and it is in black, so I really like it. I already told you it's $7.99. And the eye shade, which is from Wonder Beauty, and it is I don't know, it's in purple shade, but what is the shade called? I really don't know. Oh yeah, it's Lilac Luster, and it is worth $26. Quite expensive, but today I used it on inner corner of my eyes. Can you see that? I really like it. It blends well and everything is good. Like if you already use Stella glitter eyeshade, it's like that. It's liquid eyeshadow, and I really like it. It blends well, but you have to blend with your finger, because if you use your brush, it will dry out very quickly. So you have to very quick for your eyes to blend this eyeshadow. And after this, there is a liquid lipstick called Suva Beauty, and it's in red, bright red color, and it's worth $18. And the name of this lipstick is Besharam. If you know how to speak Urdu or Hindi, you know what is the meaning of Besharam. But if you don't know what is Besharam, it says it's shameful. And it says, it gives very catchy line. It says, when you wear a skirt 3 inches above your knee in front of your parents, how can be such a Besharam? That is shameful. I don't know what is the logic behind this color. How can you connect this color to your short skirt? I don't know. So this is the shade. And another thing which I was so much excited, because I never used beauty blender in my life, because I cannot afford it. It's so expensive, just a sponge, and it's so much expensive. And it is limited edition red carpet blender. It's $20. Can you imagine that? It's a small brush, a small sponge, and it's $20. And I usually use for my makeup Real Technique sponge, which I really love that, and it's really cheap, and it works very well for your foundation. So if you can afford this sponge, little sponge, you can buy it, no problem. But it's really good. I know that it's really good. And the final thing, which is a little big in your box, is from Bella Pear's glowing palette. It's worth $50, and it's so expensive. And there is 6 colors in this box, but really it's $50. I don't know it's worth $50 or not. because the shade in the pan looks very good. Can you see that? It looks very good when it is in a pan, but when you see, it's not very pigmented highlighters. Maybe if you use some kind of a spray or mist, then they will give you some glowing effect on your skin, but it is not work well for my skin tone, so I don't like it. But overall, it is little hit or miss things in the subscription box, all you know that, but the customer service of Tribe Beauty is very good. I'm so happy because in December lots of mail kiosks in Canada, but this Tribe Beauty will work, I know, really hard, and I received this box in December, and it's Canadian subscription box. I'm so happy and so glad, but sometimes it happens when you do online shopping, it happens, not the big thing, but you know, I'm very emotional person, and I was so sad about my all mail, so I delayed to film this video. Thanks for watching this video. I know you have some comments and some opinion about this video. If you are really a subscriber of this subscription box, let me know what you like in the box and what you don't like in the box. Let me know. Thank you for watching. Till my next video. Bye.